What's up guys, in this episode I'm going to show you extra valuable US error coins recently showcased at heritage auctions. Hit subscribe and bell buttons below this video and let's get started. This is 1976's bicentennial Washington quarter struck on a 5-cent planchet. Proof error coin graded as PR68 Deep Cameo by PCGS. Sold for $2,640 on July 5th in an heritage auction. Here is 1973's Kennedy half dollar struck on a 25-cent planchet. This coin also features strong traces of clash dice on a verse. Those device motifs of reverse around Kennedy bust. Sold on July 5th, 2022 for $2,160 at heritage auctions. This is 1960 large date Lincoln cent struck on a silver dime planchet. Graded at mint state 64 by PCGS, it was sold for $2,880. Moving on to this undated 50-cent Kennedy half dollar, double struck on a dime planchet. Graded at mint state 64 by PCGS, sold for $3,840. Next lot, 1973 Lincoln cent was double denomination struck on a 10-cent planchet. From Fred Weinberg collection. Graded at mint state 63 by PCGS, sold on July 5th, 2022 for $4,560. This one is unsinkable error, undated dime, multi-struck and bonded pair. Sold on July 5th, 2022 for $5,160. Here is 1996 Lincoln cent with double denomination struck on a Roosevelt dime planchet on a verse with the weak impression on Roosevelt head over Lincoln bust. Coin is graded at mint state 65 by PCGS, sold for $6,600 in the same auction. And the most expensive lot of the very session, a rare transitional planchet error, similar to 1943 copper cent or 1977D struck on a silver-clad planchets. Silver quarters dated 1964 and clad quarters dated 1965 were both struck during 1965, and inevitably a 90% silver planchet apparently lodged within a bean that was later filled with clad planchet, destined for 1965 dated dice. These pieces circulated for a while before a sharp-eyed collector noted that the age did not reveal any clad layers. Sold on July 5th, 2022 for $9,300 at heritage auctions. That's all folks. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit thumbs up. See you in the next video.